Okay guys, so I'm filming this video after the Jordan 1 Travis Scott drop on Sneakers app. It was an L. It was a huge L. And even for the people that got through, it wasn't easy, man. It was like a crazy experience of like waiting 20 minutes for anything to get processed. And even when it was getting processed, it was taking a very long time. So people were on edge. Twitter was blowing up. It was just not a good scene. It did seem like a lot of people were able to hit though, which is good. So in today's episode, we are going to be unboxing the Jordan 1 Travis Scott, as well as talking about if you guys should buy, if you guys should sell right now, and what you should be expecting about resale for the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. So if you guys are interested in all of that, then stay tuned. We're going to be looking at the #1 shoe of 2019 right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are talking about the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. It is easily gonna be the #1 shoe of 2019, even though we are only halfway done. I can guarantee you guys, shoe of the year. And that's saying a lot because we still got like 7 months left out of the year. But because of this drop and just because of seeing like how much hype there is, I have no doubt in my mind this is the one that's gonna do it. Anyway, let's take a look at what the Jordan 1 Travis Scott looks like. Brown Nike box. It's not a black Nike box, it's a brown one. Okay guys, and you guys can check it out. This is what the paper looks like for the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. You can see that Cactus Jack running, that Air Jordan logo, Nike Air. But guys, this is what the shoe actually looks like. And this is crazy in hand, guys. And so I've told you guys in previous episodes, I'm not a huge fan of Travis Scott. That doesn't mean that I'm not buying into the design of this shoe though. Just because you're not a Travis fan doesn't mean you can't appreciate this shoe. So checking out this shoe right here, this is insane quality on a shoe. No joke, the hype is real for the quality. The brown parts are made out of suede. This leather is top tier quality. And of course, on the outside of the shoe, you got that reverse swoosh, which is actually really high quality leather as well. Up here on the top, you guys can see this Velcro kind of stuff that has that stash pocket kind of thing. You guys can also see over here on the tongue, that Cactus Jack. Pretty cool. I like this little extra design. And then obviously on the back heel, we got Travis's logo. It's just a very sleek design shoe and the quality is very, very nice. Additionally, on the other pair, you guys can see the laces that it comes with. It's got that red, pink, brown, and like I guess kind of cream colored. So that's what the shoe looks like, and I'm buying into the hype on this one, guys. I honestly feel that this is gonna be sneaker of the year, and resale is gonna be ridiculous by the end of the year. So after the drop happened on sneakers and some people took the W, you guys probably went to a sneaker app to check out, okay, what are the resale values of these shoes now? I checked out GoDaddy and the prices skyrocketed. Like there was a point where these shoes were selling for like maybe $700 to $800. They shot up to basically $900 to $1,200 for certain sizes. So that went up after the release, and that's very, very rare. Technically what happens is that the market usually drops because people are trying to quick sell their pairs. Everybody and their mom knows that these pairs are only going to be more coveted the more people wear these and the more people see them online. So I think the number is only going to go up from now. So right now they're trending at about 900 or so. I think at most, when everybody gets their pairs in from Nike, there will be some guys, like usually the younger audiences, that need money real fast. So they're gonna probably sell theirs for like 800 bucks. I don't think that it's gonna drop lower than $800 at this point. If it drops lower than $800 for any pair, like if you see a pair for $750, I would instant cop that and then hold it because these things are gonna skyrocket in value. My personal opinion in reselling sneakers and stuff, this is gonna be a shoe that sells for about $1,200 on average at the end of the year. Travis killed it with this. This is gonna be the OG Jordan 1 Travis Scott. He's gonna come out with different colors and stuff, but this is gonna be the one that started it. This is the one that's gonna drive the hype. So the latest I would wait is after everybody gets their shipments in from Nike. Watch the market. If it's staying stable, then that's probably a good sign to buy now. As soon as you start seeing it jump up, you gotta go. You gotta buy it instantly or you guys are gonna miss out and you're probably gonna have to pay at least $1,000 for the shoes. That's just my advice for them, man. If people are gonna call you hype beast or they're gonna say that the shoe is trash, they're honestly just a hater. That's all I gotta say about that because the quality is nice on this. I appreciate the design. There's so much intricacies of this shoe. It's not just a reverse swoosh. It's the tongue. It's the back heel. It's this Cactus Jack running on the side. It's everything. So don't be afraid to like this, and don't be afraid if this is your sneaker of the year. I am not a fan of Travis Scott, but I am endorsing the Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys are able to copy your pair. If you guys need an app to go buy it, I would highly recommend GoDapp. You can check out the link in the description below. Additionally, if you guys did like this video of buy or sell, where I kind of talk about resale predictions, and feel free to hit that like button to show me that you guys want to see more of these videos. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe down below. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoot.